wonder if that's a language right there. Hey, where you at, up? Don't pull up on me like that, man. You can get thawed real quick. Oh my son, my. Those bumps were not there before. Those bumps, I repeat, were not there before. Oh my god. First one hit me, I made a reaction, and I kind of loosened everything up. And then, I don't know, another one was on the way, and that one really hit. And then again, I loosened up for a little bit, tightened up and loosened up a little bit. And the third one really just, you know, drove it home. Oh my genitals. I'm sorry, I can't think of another word. Twins in the playpen is overused. Dragon Balls, there you go. Forgot about it. Came back to me. I got it now. Won't forget it. Dragon Balls. I know she needs a protein shake, alright? My speed is enough! You don't gotta tell me what my speed is, homie. God damn. The reason I'm behind this car and going slow is because I want to look at that. Because the first time I looked at that because of that douche Audi. Well, he wasn't a douche. He's just, that's not how you do things. I could tell he was very new to the entire thing. But imagine you're on that tiny little island boat thingy and just smashing it up with that view right there. That is amazing, man. That stuff right there is the reason I ride over here all the time. It's just I can't give it up. Looking at the beach, being near the beach, that smell, like you're in a car, you're walking on the boardwalk, it's different. When you're on a bike and you're just gushing through the wind, and that air is just going right through up your nostrils and onto your holes, and like it's just a different feeling. It smells even like, it's like OD, it smells like OD in your nose, and it's like you feel a type of way. You hit it from the front, from the back, from the side, you hit it all kind of way. And then your girl throw it at me like I was one strike away. Porsche? No. I knew it's not a Porsche behind me. I know it's a Mini Cooper. For the longest time I was just imaginally thinking that if I keep thinking Porsche, it would actually become Porsche. I hit it from the front. Oh puppy. From the side I hit it all kind of way. Porsche, there you go, Porsche right there. So God made it come true, but he made it come true in a really weird way. Like into a lane that's not even with me, it's not even going with me, it's making a left. So like, hell am I supposed to do about that? What is it, Kashmir? How about that? Someone, oh, a cigarette smoker in front of us. That's cancer in a car right there, dog. And I can smell it too, oh my lord. God damn. R1, R6? I have no idea. She still should be in an anabolic window, but we're coming up to a gas station to get a protein shake. We're just riding high and we'll cruise. Where's bike? Yep. I saw a little bit of it in between the two cars. Oh my god, my eyesight, like me as a whole package is just amazing. It's just an amazing thing. I don't even want to go here because I'm just gonna blaze it. So I might as well just go here, hit the gas station, and then talk to him. All right, and then talk to him. Dude, I love this freshly paved road. I know it's not that fresh, but still, it's still nice. Whenever I'm side by side to a car, I love to just randomly look right at them and then away. Like it literally does nothing for me or them, but they're usually looking, so like it does something for them, but it does nothing for me. Ah, McLaren, off the, and an Audi, off the rip. And they're gunning it. Well, miniature guns, not a full-blown gun. Miniature ones. Like in that situation, I would get destroyed, unless it's not off rip, but I slowly cruise on by. Blacked out Porsche, and that is nice. I will not lie, that is nice. I can see myself driving that. That is not... the taillights, you know, could be better, but that is nice. That looks good. I don't know what this chick's doing. It is Audi R8, souped up Corvette, but that's why it's in the back, because nobody cares about it. Yeah, I think we should be more than enough, but I don't know why. I think it's a placebo effect where I just know, what do you call it, low on, she needs a protein shake. She's really spent from the workout, you know, coming back after a long time. It takes time. DOMs are gonna hit her. But we got a gas station up here to refuel her protein. Galapagos Italian, it's a deli. I was gonna say Galapagos Italian Delilah. Dude, I've never met a baddie whose name is Delilah. This chick does not know how to drive. Like, I can tell you that right now. Just, it's a lost cause. Yank that license and give this car to a hobo because he'll do better with that. And for equality, give it, you know, give it to a female hobo. Are there that many female hobos? I've noticed that if a chick is a hobo, like homeless female, she usually doesn't have teeth. Why is that? Like well, she has some teeth. She's just missing, you know, a good amount of her choppers. It's to my right here, so that's the reason I'm in this lane going hella slow. Right here. Get it from the front, from the side, from the back. Could I get 12 on 20? $8. Thank you. On 12. All right, thank you.
Orange County, hi, I'm Belen de Leon, first director. You're all good with the meeting for December 2007 was on Friday. The reason for that, we're going to have some weak Santa Ana winds, so watch out for that. Lighter winds over the weekend.
Alright, baby boys and baby girls, we are on the tail end of our ride. We got a protein shake for Broly and our post-workout shake for Broly. She's feeling good. Some light exercise, which is walking on a treadmill kind of thing. Well, actually no, walking outside after a workout is always nice. But I want to do some riding. I'm just going to do some quiet riding. So, enjoy. Thanks again for supporting me. I don't even know what that means anymore. I guess people who are still watching this video even after I took a super long hiatus. Or I don't know if it was a break. It was just me vanished. Dude, you're fat. Who the hell? Unless it's your DoorDash order that you're yelling at the driver to come faster to drop it off. Who the hell you be texting? Is that important that you're doing it on the road while riding? But yeah, thank you again for all the love, for the support. Not dead, still alive, feeling great. Gonna keep riding. It's just gonna be cut up the videos, ride, cut those videos up, upload them, and just kind of find my groove again and see where exactly and what exactly I want to do. I'm always gonna be a moto vlogging channel. That's never gonna change. That's just who I am. That's just, I love riding around, taking in whatever is happening around me, commenting on it, talking about my life, updating you guys, telling you guys stories, or just randomly just have my mouth open and talking about nonsense. So whatever it may be, we're for it all. We're gonna do it all, and it's all for you. So thank you all for the support. Those who are still on for the ride, there is a Ferrari off-rip right there with a biker. Will he take that in or no? I messed up the turn because I was too busy seeing if that light would open. It wouldn't open, by the way. That's not how those work. So thank you guys all for the support. Continue watching. It's gonna be the same old videos because that's the kind of videos that I like making. We might branch out to more other things, but it's probably gonna be done on a separate channel because I've been thinking about making separate channels and keeping this channel true to what it is, which is sex tapes and motovlogging, and that's it, nothing else. So thank you all again for the 50th time. Ride safe, drive safe, know that I love you, and subscribe only because I love you. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.